In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text in a blank slide in PowerPoint. Let's start from the very beginning. Go ahead and open your PowerPoint presentation, or create a new one if you're starting from scratch. Once PowerPoint is open, look at the list of slides on the left-hand side of your screen. This is called the slide pane, and it shows a small thumbnail preview of every slide in your presentation. Now, to work with a blank slide, you can either add a new one or choose an existing slide and clear it. To add a new blank slide, go to the Home tab at the top of the screen. In the Slides group, click on New Slide. A small menu will appear with different layout options. From that menu, select the one labeled Blank. PowerPoint will insert a new slide with nothing on it, just an empty canvas ready for your content. If you already have a slide that you want to turn into a blank slide, select that slide from the panel on the left. Then, again under the Home tab, click Layout and choose Blank from the list. This removes any default placeholders, like title or content boxes, so you have a completely clear slide. Now let's add text. On a blank slide, you won't see any preset text boxes, so you'll create your own. Still on the Home tab, find the text group and click on Text Box. Your mouse pointer will change to a crosshair. Move it to the slide area. Click and drag to draw a box where you want your text to appear, then release the mouse button. The cursor will start blinking inside that box, and you can begin typing your text right away. If you need to adjust the position of your text, click on the edge of the text box so that a border appears around it. Then, click and drag the box to move it anywhere on the slide. To resize it, grab any of the little handles on the corners or sides and drag in or out. To format your text, highlight the words you want to change and use the options in the Home tab. Choose a font, adjust the size, change the color, or make it bold or italic. You can also use the alignment buttons to center your text or align it to the left or right, depending on your design. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to create a blank slide, add a text box, and format your text so it looks